Hey guys, I've got a question to ask you guys on YouTube. Maybe you guys can help me fix this problem. I've got a 2003 Chevy S10. It's a nice truck, and ever since I bought this a couple of months ago, I found out that it had, I've known this for a while now. Up a little bit too. And I don't know how I could get that fixed. Because that's kind of a different type. It's the other one is more invasive than this one, but I was just hoping that one of you guys, one of you YouTube viewers, could tell me what to do. So later I might make a in-depth tour of my truck, so I guess that's it. Bye guys.